Hey guys, I'm here with you giving my review of the Derila pillow. I am so excited to see what this looks like. As you can see, it's all compressed here, so it's like a memory foam type deal. It's a unique shape. I actually am so excited for this. You have no idea. I think it's going to be perfect. I'm a side sleeper, so I'm looking for a pillow that's going to support my neck, and this is perfect for all types of sleep. And it's built to last, so let's check it out together. This part was so satisfying to me watching it fully expand, and it puffed up pretty quickly, but then I left it for like, I don't know, a couple hours just so it could fully like release from being so tightly curled up. But it is kind of a unique shape, and I am so excited. I've seen these all over online, and this is perfect for any type of sleeper. So I sleep on my side, and as you can see, like it supports your neck in a different type of way. So if you're a side sleeper, like for sure this is for you. If you're a back sleeper, if you're a stomach sleeper, this is like a perfect fit for everybody. I was so comfortable. I cannot wait to using this all night. I really was impressed with this pillow. If you are looking for something that is going to better support your head, check this out.